Hello everyone. President Cyril Ramaphosa will no longer legally challenge the Section 89 panel's report, which found he may have a case to answer about the PhalaPhala saga, and said that the matter is moot after a vote by the National Assembly not to proceed with an impeachment inquiry. The presidential spokesperson Vincent Magwenya said that Ramaphosa still believed that the report was flawed and reserved the right to challenge it. The president has been advised, which advice he has accepted, that the panel report and all issues associated with it have become moot and they are of no practical and legal consequence because on 13 December 2022, the National Assembly decided to reject the motion to refer the panel report to an impeachment committee. While the decision remains valid, the Section 89 panel report carries no weight in law. Magwenya said Ramaphosa had thus been advised not to institute proceedings before the High Court for the review and setting aside of the panel's report at this stage. But the president reserves his right to bring such proceedings later should the circumstances change. The president maintains his position set out in his founding affidavit before the Constitutional Court that the panel report is reviewable in law on several grounds, including the misconception of its mandate, the grave errors of law, and unfounded conclusions of fact. He said that the president noted that decision taken by a Constitutional Court dated March 1, in which the court decided not to engage the merits of the application that he instituted to set aside the report of the independent panel. In the first part of the president's review application, he sought leave to bring the case directly to the Constitutional Court because it was, according to the advice he received, a matter that fell within its exclusive jurisdiction and in the interest of justice. In the second part, he asked that the report of the panel be reviewed, declared unlawful, and set aside. The Constitutional Court decision was on grounds that the application is not within the court's exclusive jurisdiction and no compelling case for direct access was made. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.